Yo, what's up guys? It's me Edward back again for another video. Let's get into it. What's up guys? We are back again for another unboxing review. For now, we are going to unbox the sports camera for only $30. Let's get into it.
A few moments later.
What's up guys? So we are again unboxing a different kind of camera. It's a sports camera. So this is a combo package. It's a special deal here in my country. It has the free tripod. This is a free tripod. I think this is a budget friendly tripod. So let's try to open this one first. This is the three-way head, built-in level, aluminum. So let's open it up. It comes with a free phone holder. Okay, so let's bring it to this side. Pull it out from the box. It's now empty. Okay. This thing is pretty lightweight, but I feel it's kinda the low end because it's free. So what do you expect from free? But still, it's a free, so we'll take it. Okay, it's pretty lightweight. It's cheap metal, but it will do the work, right? A simple tripod has the level, so you can balance the phone or the camera itself. So let's not discuss about the tripod. Let's toss it to the side. Let's keep our unboxing to the camera itself. It has a different colors, 2-inch screen. Okay, it comes with different kind of mounts. Specification: it's waterproof when it's inside the glass box. Okay, you can put it in your bicycle, mount it to your bicycle, to your helmet, and then you can mount it to your car dashboard, and you can handheld it if you have a gimbal or tripod. So let's open it up. It's a 1080 full HD. Bring it out from the box. Now this is empty. Let's keep it on the side. So this is the camera itself. It's pretty lightweight. It's like a Gopro but less. So let's bring it out. Let's bring the accessories out from the box. I think this is what you're going to put the camera on when you're using it in your bicycle. The USB cord connecting to your laptop, the mount to your car or to your dashboard, and I think this is for your no, this is for the bicycle. You're gonna mount it to here, your camera, because it has the circumference. Okay, this one is for underwater, the gimbal underwater. If you have that one, you can buy it at your local stores. Another adapter, I mean. It comes with a strap. And lastly, the documentation or the manual book. This is very important if it's your first time to use it, so better keep it and read a little. But if you have a knowledge about this kind of camera, just keep it away. But do not lose it because it's part of the warranty. So guys, we are going in a in-depth tour inside the camera, what it looks like. So there's a lock here. All you have to do is pull it towards the arrow, then lift this part up. Now it's open. You can play that back if you want to in slow-mo. So all you have to do, if you're going to lock it again, put this side. Simple, right? Now we're going to open it again. Pull this, lift this part. Now it's unlocked. This is the camera. This crystal clear cover is for underwater. It keeps the camera between the water. So this is the camera itself. It has the 2-inch camera. So we'll put this one. 2-inch camera, screen, your USB, micro SD, any size. What I have now is 32 GB. The lens, the power button. This is going to be your shifting to photo, to camera. Then you're going to go to the library. Your OK means this is the shutter button. It has the 4x zoom. So we'll try to open it. So this is what it looks like. And voila, this is the camera. So our review about this sports camera, the full HD. You just have to buy your separate SD card for this. I think you can maximally use a 32 GB SD card, and all the accessories is useful. It's very unique that a small camera like this has all the items that you need. You don't have to buy it separately, and it is a $30 camera, so it will do the job done. So thank you for watching, guys. Subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thank you and God bless. Goodbye.